Is there any other topic that you would like, or anecdotes that you want to share with the community?
Yeah, one that I like is the story of my collaborator and hero, Bruce Hobbs. He came to Albany and he and Paul Williams and I worked together. That's when the book was started. And he knew more than we did about continuum mechanics. And he sat us down and sat Paul and Bruce Nesbitt, the student, and me down. And he gave us, every few days, he gave us a lecture building up our understanding of parts of continuum mechanics. One morning he came in and he said, "I'm afraid everything I said last time was wrong." I admired that kind of honesty, that humility in a teacher. Then he corrected it and we learned something from that. I think when you do hard work, and teaching can be as hard as any work, you can screw up, you can make mistakes, and you've got to put a light on them later and let the students know what you did wrong and correct it. I think it's very helpful to students to know that teachers are ordinary mortals just like them, subject to mistakes, and improves their attitude toward their own mistakes.